Very good morning to all of you, to all my dear student, participant and the member of organizing committee for this 2 days program on hashtag digital minds at 21 and a video global video competition on digital integrated marketing campaign IMC. I welcome all of you on this bright Friday morning. The who, what, why, where and how of digital marketing is basically going to be the theme for this particular webinar. It is going to be 1 day's webinar, 3 hours webinar, but this webinar will clear most of your doubts regarding digital marketings, digital management. It will clarify, it will clear your concepts and fundamentals. So I again welcome you, all of you. I am Dr. Mukul Burgate, in charge for Philips Kotler Fan Club. Now let me straightway come to the program, what this program is all about. Because why I am making this particular video is, yesterday and day before yesterday we received many enquiries and many queries and many doubts regarding how to go about this particular program. In fact, we tried to make this brochure self-explanatory, but still few of the participants, they are finding a bit difficult, particularly those who are not from marketing background, because this terminology related to digital marketing is a bit new to them. They are not very much familiar. So first of all, before we start, let us go to the important dates. Here all the participant has to keep in mind that they have to register for this free webinar before 21st of February. You can do it right away today because it is free. And for second part of the program, which is going to be held on 5th of March, that is a competition, you have to register and submit your video before 20th of February 2021. These are the important dates, all of you have to keep in mind. And the webinar will be on 4th of March. Probably it will start early in the morning, 11 o'clock. We'll be specifying you to the, not early in the morning, we'll be telling you, we'll be posting you the exact schedule for the entire 2 days program. Here is the introduction. This introduction gives the theme about what exactly is this program all about. Hashtag digital mind at 21. And there is competition which is meant for students from right from high school to post PG level, that is doctorate level. So you just go through this particular brochure. We have already posted it on the Telegram group. We have posted this on YouTube link also. This third slide is very important. It talks about criteria for participation and assessment. How are you supposed to participate and what will be the assessment criteria, particularly talking about the second program, that is video presentation. Now here you can participate as a team, you can participate as individual, but the team cannot be larger than 2 members. In fact, maximum number of member per team that is allowed is 2 only. Even an individual can participate if he or she wants to. But let me tell you, this competition is purely meant for student only. Professional can also participate. Professional, I am to say marketing executive, digital executives, or for that matter teachers, they can also participate, but they cannot make a claim for online cash prize and winners claim. Now here let me straightway come to the problems which students are facing. They are saying how to make that video, what will be the theme. So here what you have to do is, you have to first of all write down your digital integrated marketing campaign. Now what will that campaign include? For that you have to do a bit of homework, or maybe those who do not know marketing, they have to search for 7 P's of marketing. The first 4 P's are related to product. Let me give you a hint about it, because I won't be going into much detail of what exactly is IMC, for which probably we'll need another video. If you want that video, you just put your comments in the comment box in this YouTube channel, right? Give a subscription and click on bell icon. And if you have any further doubts, you can put it in the comment box. I'll be replying there and there itself. and possibly I'll be making another video if you have any doubt regarding this particular digital integrated marketing campaign, because this is going to be the core theme of second part of the program and the part of competition. Here what you have to do is you have to pick up any product and you have to prepare a digital integrated marketing campaign for that, right? Now this word looks to be very difficult for beginners, but if you just search it out, see, another word is integrated marketing communication also. All you have to do is the entire campaign will revolve around these 7 P's. So what you have to do is you have to first of all write down your integrated marketing campaign on a paper. This is how you are going to start. You are not going to make video directly. First of all, you have to choose any of the product of your choice. You can take laptops, mobile phone. There are n number of plenty of products are there. Automobile, in which you can have two-wheelers, you can have four-wheelers, and you have to talk, you have to see, or you have to make this product digitally available, and you have to market this product digitally. This is the core concept of the workshop. So basically you have to design a digital marketing strategy which will come in form of video. Along with the video you will be submitting the manuscript of your digital marketing campaign, integrated marketing campaign we call it. You'll be submitting that. This particular campaign can be of 2-page, 3-page, 4-page. So along with your video you will be posting those particular campaign pages along with the video. Video should not be more than 20, maximum of 20 minutes duration. Now this is how your video and your manuscript will be assessed or evaluated. It will be online video presentation, 25 marks, then integrated marketing campaign, which will again carry 25 marks, then understanding and knowledge of the participant about the digital marketing concepts and fundamentals will carry another 25 marks, and the final round on 5th, when the digital experts will be asking few questions to the participant. So this is how your entire video and your manuscript will be evaluated by the expert panel, and this entire 100 marks will get converted into 60% weightage, right? Whatever video you're going to present on that day. And let me tell you, all the videos and manuscript which you are going to submit will go for a review, and those videos and manuscript which match our expectation will only come for the final presentation. I think it won't be possible for us to give the chance to each and every. In fact, if everybody is good, they match our expectation, then definitely everybody will get a chance. Otherwise we'll be having elimination. Once you submit it, the reviewer will take a look at your video and manuscript, and those who have the quality which we are expecting will come for final round. And 40% of the weightage, this is very important. See, whatever videos you are going to post to us and manuscript you are going to post to us, this will go in form of a video on a YouTube channel which will be made publicly available, and the audience of YouTube will be voting and making a comment on your video. Now this voting and comments, likes and dislike, whatever you get, and the comment you get, positive comment and negative comment you get, will carry another 40% weightage, which will be open to be seen by everybody. Now next slide is about prices and incentives. This in fact, incentive, all of you will be getting a certificate of successful participation for the completion of digital marketing webinar. Whoever is going to register and whoever is going to fill the feedback form at the end of webinar will definitely be getting this certificate of successful participation. Winner, coming to the winner, on the 5th March, after the competition is over, the winners will be announced after some time. Probably it depends on the number of participants who are going to compete. But on the very same day we will try to announce the winner. The first prize for the winner will be 11,000 rupees. Runner up will get 7,000. That will be again single prize. First prize is again only one prize. Consolation prizes are 5 in numbers, which do have online cash prize of rupees 1000 each. Apart from this, your expertise, your skills will be showcased across through our platform, digital platform like Facebook. Then we have YouTube. Then we have Telegram. All sort of social media platform. Your videos and your manuscript will be highlighted to the entire globe. Who can participate? Everybody can participate. There is you don't have to have any qualification to participate, but this particular workshop is meant for students only to claim the prize. Professional and people from other field industry, they can participate, but they cannot make a claim on the online cash prize and the winners stack. So this is how you are supposed to register. For detail and register visit, see, I'll be coming to this form, Google form, because few of the participants, they are facing problem filling this form also. And make sure that you join our Telegram group, because all our further notification and clarification and information will come on this particular Telegram group. Read out these rules and regulation carefully. Join the YouTube channel, because this is needed. In fact, you can also follow us on Facebook, so that most of the update will come here. And Telegram, as I said, is very important, because if you are not in Telegram, probably you won't be receive any communication, right? So here we'll be posting communication to our entire audience, which will be common to them. In case if few communication has to be made individually, then probably your mobile number will come handy. I'll be coming to that. This is the part of organizing committee. These are all the members of the organizing committee. And here the last slide talks about e-communication and registration. Here are the links again given for registration. Then we have given a link for subscription of our YouTube channel. Join our Telegram group, which is very important. All these 4 points are very important. First is registration, second is subscription, third is joining the Telegram group, and fourth is Blogspot. Most of the update again will be doing it here. In case you are facing any problem, please do feel free to contact our digital brand ambassador, Mr. Nikhil, Mr. Purval, and Miss Apurva. I given the mobile number here. You can scan this QR code for making a payment of rupees 100 for the competition. And you are supposed to upload your videos on the following, on or before 20th of February. This is the email address which we have given. You are supposed to post your videos and manuscript on both this platform. Now let us go to our registration form, because few of the students, they are facing problem in that also. So let me take you to the registration form. This is how the registration, if you just click on the registration link, probably the registration form will look like this. It is a very simple form, nothing very hard about it, very difficult about it. Put your email address here, which is mandatory, right? You just have to type your email address and just go further. These are the brochure. You can ignore it if you have gone through the brochure. Just talk about whatever I have explained just now. So all you have to keep in mind, you have to design an IMC campaign. That is, I'm talking about the later part of the program. First part is just webinar. You have to, which comes for free. You have to just register for that. You don't have to pay fees also. But if you want to attend both, then you have to make a payment of rupees 100. Here you have to just click on the type of participation. If you are just SSC pass out, click here. If you are professional, somebody from industry, click here. And further, moving further, you are supposed to give your full name, which will appear in your e-certificate of successful participation. So click your name which you would like to have on your certificate. This is how you are supposed to do it, right? If you want the middle name also, you can insert that also, right? So that also you can do, right? You can just put the initial also. My father's name is right. Okay. So moving further, designation is not compulsory. In fact, this is not a mandatory field. You can put, if you're a teacher, if you're a student, just put that. Here, this is compulsory, and put the your institute name, wherever you are studying or wherever you are working, and the cities again is very important, because this will appear on your certificate. Your mobile number is needed, is must, so that we can directly communicate with you. Possibly give the WhatsApp number so that we can WhatsApp you message directly over here, or Telegram number. Okay. Now coming here, if you are participating in both of the program, then press here yes and make a payment of ₹100. If you just want to be part of webinar, then click on no. I want to attend webinar only. Further moving, just give the referral from where you came to know about the workshop, like WhatsApp or YouTube channel, whatever way you found out this particular program, or through your friends. Here you are supposed to scan the QR code for making a payment of ₹100. Put the ID, your transaction ID over here, which will come when you make a payment through your UPI, or we have given the bank details also. If you want to make it through bank account number, IFC code is also given, and the name of bank is also given. Now here you have to just click on the undertaking that you have gone through the brochure and you have read all the rules and regulations pertaining to the second part of the program. Here you can contact our brand ambassador for any further doubts and queries. In case the industry people or the professional can contact for sponsorship, we are in need of sponsorship. If the sponsorship increases, then possibly we'll be increasing the price amount. This price amount right now is fixed. It definitely won't be going down. It will be increasing as and when we get more and more sponsorship. We'll be adding more prices to it. These are very important things. Here you are supposed to click on the YouTube channel link. Right? If you just click here, it will take you to the YouTube channel where you can subscribe it. If you just click on the Blogspot, it will take you to the Blogspot, which will be having plenty of explanatory things which you just can go through it. And Telegram group. If you click here on your Android phone, then it will redirect you to the Telegram group, which I have already joined. So here you are supposed to join it and just submit the form so that you get a response back. And in case you have any doubt, do feel free to contact. Don't hesitate. Right? Whatever silly doubts you are having, whatever doubts regarding IMC you are having, and please post your comment on the YouTube channel regarding if you want a video, separate video on IMC, what sort of program, what sort of video, what sort of manuscript you should be making. I'll be posting a different or separate video on that. Thank you all. Thank you very much for watching this particular video. Thank you, and I hope all of you register and enjoy this program, because this is a need of our digital marketing or digital platform are the present, and they are going to be the future of all the businesses in the world. Thank you very much.